Okay, in this video we have a company that sent me some tools to review, and let's get into it. Okay, I'm back. As you can see, I guess you can see somewhere right here. Let me see. Vampire Tools sent me some of their pliers to review, the 8" and the 6 1/4. They are made in Japan, if you didn't know that already. Now, the one thing, I don't know if y'all can read this, it's kind of small. The one thing I don't really like about it is they only have, you can see right there, maybe a 4-year warranty. I don't understand that. They should be a lifetime warranty, but whatever. Let me get them out of the package and we'll get into it a little bit better. Okay, they're out of the package. Oh, wait a minute, there's my coffee. Done got in the way. Hold on, bear with me. Got to have that coffee. Anyway, this is them out of the package. They also sent this pouch. I think this pouch holds like 4 or either 5 pair of pliers, and they only sent me 2. So I don't know why they sent me that too. But anyway, they're not going in that unless I go somewhere and need them. You know, I'll go off in the truck and need them. They're going in my toolbox in my plier drawer. But I have to say, they're pretty awesome. I mean, everybody's saying tools made in Japan is really good, and I have to agree with them. I don't think I've ever had any tools made in Japan, and I did not get these just to say I have some made from Japan. Like I said, they sent me these. I did not buy these to do a review on. So they are awesome. I mean, everyone I've always seen, other reviewers, I don't think anybody's ever said anything about the handles and whatnot, but in the pictures and all, they look like hard plastic handles, and they're not. They're actually kind of soft rubber handles. But like I said, they're awesome, and they're sharp too. The cutters and the little tips to, I don't know if it'll focus on that or not, but for gripping screws, taking screws out like that. Get some strip screws. They're awesome. Hopefully I'll get some good use out of them. Thank you very much, Vampire Tools, for sending me these. Now, unfortunately, they did not send me any kind of discount code for you to use to get any kind of discount on them. They may, if they do, I'll add that to the description of this video, but I don't have one as of yet. But anyway, that's them. I'm not going to sit here and cut stuff with them, because I mean, even though they have cutters, that's not really the main purpose of these. That is. Anyway, like always, thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.